Bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with the new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
The cabin filter is located on the left corner of the footwell. Remove the footwell panel by pulling down and releasing the tabs from their catch. Pull the tab on the housing cover up and slide the housing cover off. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. It may be easier to pinch in the sides of your new AQ1228 filter as you install it into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing towards the back of the car. Recommended replacement every 15,000 miles or 1 year. Refer to your vehicle owner's manual for specifications. Reinstall the filter housing door. Reinstall the side panel by aligning the tabs. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.